Proverbs 1 verse 10. My son, if sinners entice you, do not consent. Not all invitations are good for us. Proverbs 1 verse 10 reminds us to learn how to say no to peer pressure and temptations. You are not called just because you follow the way others live, and you are not a nerd for refusing to do what they do. You are simply being wise, choosing what honors God and staying away from what He hates. Wisdom sometimes means standing alone, but it always leads to the right path.